In front of me is REDMI Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead, tap on voice typing and make sure that this switcher is on. Then go back, tap on visible microphone, hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again or stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!